गणेशाय नमः। ओम श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। ओम सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। ॐ शन्नो मित्रशं वरुणः शन्नो भवत्वर्यमा शन्न इन्द्रो बृहस्पतिः शन्नो विष्णुरुक्रमः। नमो ब्रह्मणे नमस्ते वायो त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि त्वामेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्म वदिष्यामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ यस्यन्दसां वृषभो विश्वरूपः छन्दोभ्योऽध्यमृतात् सम्बभूव समेन्द्रो मेधया स्पृणोतु अमृतस्य देवधारणो भूयासं शरीरं मे विचर्षणं जिह्वा मे मधुमत्तमा कर्णाभ्यां भूरिविश्रुवं ब्रह्मणः कोशोऽसि मेधया पिहितः श्रुतं मे गोपाय आवहन्ति वितन्वानां कुर्वाण चिरमात्मनः वासागंसि मम गावश्च अन्नपाने च सर्वदा ततो मे श्रियमावह लोमशां पशुभिः सह स्वाहा आमायन्तो ब्रह्मचारिणः स्वाहा विमायन्तो ब्रह्मचारिणः स्वाहा प्रमायन्तो ब्रह्मचारिणः स्वाहा दमायन्तो ब्रह्मचारिणः स्वाहा क्षमायन्तो ब्रह्मचारिणः स्वाहा. So we saw what is Omkara is a bull among the Chandas, and essence of Chandas is Vyavrti, Vyavrti essence is Om. So Om is the essence. Sarishtam jigrukshoho prajapatehe tapasyata Omkara sarishtatvena prachabhat ityartaha. Prajapati contemplated the essence, he realized that it is all Om. Now, evam bhutaha Omkaraha, that is Indraha. Saha Indraha. That Indra सर्वकामेश्वरः परमेश्वरः मेधया प्रज्ञा मां स्फुरणोतु प्रणीयतु बलयतु वा प्रज्ञाबलं हि प्रार्थ्यते. फर्स्ट वन व्हाट इज आस्क्ड इज प्रज्ञाबलं. बुद्धिनाशात् प्रणश्यति अदरवाइज. So we human beings are buddhi jeev. Buddhi has to be there. So it is prarthana. अमृतस्य अमृतत्व हेतुभूतस्य ब्रह्मज्ञानस्य तदधिकारात् हे देव धारणो धारयिता भूयासं भवेयम्. And may I become the possessor of that immortal knowledge, because amrutasya amrutatva hedubhutasya brahmajnanasya. May I become that possessor of that knowledge of the self. Tadadhikarat. What is prakarana going on? Brahmajnana only discussed. So, kincha, moreover, shariram me mama vicharshanam vichakshanam yogyam iti etate. Let my body become yogyam, fit enough. Now, bhuyatiti prathama purusha viparimanaha. Now, next one, jihva me madhumattama. So now what is first prayed is intelligence, number one. Why? Because that is amrutatva hetu bhutasya brahmajnanasya he dev atadhikarat he deva dharano dharayita bhuyasa. Next one is immediately why intelligence is asked. Without intelligence, knowledge. Yesterday evening also we saw, when the knowledge is not there, Markandeya Muni, step by step he said, how ultimately society is destroyed. So, next one, knowledge is there but the body is not healthy. No use. So, my physical body should also be healthy enough to practice or implement the ideas what I have understood or to live. So, bhuyaditi, this also we saw. Next one, my tongue. Now, beautiful, Gurudev says, intelligence is there, no health, no use. Or otherwise, health is there, no intelligence, no use. Okay, both are there. But your speech is not good. Some people, or rather even majority of us, we have, suppose if we have knowledge as well as good body, physical body, but our tongue may not be sweet. जो मुंह से बात निकलता है ना, कठोर शब्द निकलते रहते हैं. That means if our tongue is not sweet, then the entire purpose, it is not fulfilled. हम लोग देखे हैं, देख चुके हैं, देख रहे हैं, देखेंगे भी आगे. That this type of people are available. That बड़ा ज्ञान है, such a teacher, healthy teacher, knowledgeable teacher, but nobody can go to him and study. Why? His tongue is not good. और डांटना, कई लोग हैं, so many people are there. Similarly, you have very good intelligence and also good physical body in your workplace, at your workplace, ghar mein bhi. But the tongue is not good, speech is not sweet, then there is no use. So next one, what is to be prayed is sweet tongue. Jihva me jihva, my tongue, let it become sweet. Madhumattama, like honey. Let me not hurt anyone. As much as possible. Sweet tongue. I have seen some masters, some great Mahatmas, even their criticism is very sweet. Even if they want to criticize someone, but there is no tinge of criticism is felt in them. When they utter, they casually make a remark without that dvesha or a hatred towards anyone. So, this is very important. So, jihva me madhumattama, madhumati atishayena, let my speech, my words become extremely sweet. Atishayena madhura bhashini ityartaha. That means I must become, let my speech become madhura bhashini. Very essential. That means knowledge is there, physical body, good health is there, but speech is not good. That repels people around us. Especially at one stage in the evolution, when you are gaining knowledge and health also is good, you don't care anybody at home. Very interesting. जैसे कि आप में आपके ज्ञान बढ़ते जा रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ श्रवण एंड थोड़ा सा मनन एंड हृष्ट पुष्ट भी है, कोई बीमारी कुछ नहीं है, देन यू बिकम ए सॉर्ट ऑफ person who criticizes everybody, comments upon everybody, gives opinions on everyone, and some kind of arrogance sets into us. This we have to check. Maybe it is there for most of the cases at homes especially. इतना यहाँ पे अच्छा सुनते हैं ना, घर जाके गुस्सा, एंगर, रिएक्शंस, चुप रहो, सुबह सुबह शांति से मैं सुन के आया। अरे शांति से यदि सुना तो तुमको चुप रहना पड़ेगा, घर वालों को क्यों चुप रह रहे हैं? अब मजेदार बात है, किसने सुना वेदांत सुबह सुबह? आप। तो किसको शांति रहना चाहिए? किसको शांति में? आपको रहना चाहिए, मगर आप लोगों को बोलते डांटते हैं। अभी भी ध्यान करके आया हूं, अभी मेरे दिमाग मत खाना। अरे ध्यान करने के बाद you must become so peaceful that people can eat your दिमाग, yet you should be undisturbed. ऐसा उल्टा बोलना चाहिए, ध्यान करके आया हूं, अब जो खाना है खाओ। जो मुझे डांटना है डांटो, नो प्रॉब्लम, शांति से डांटो। That means this definitely you must have observed in your houses, in your own behavior. At one particular point of time, you feel that atmosphere in the house is as though they are inimical to everybody, to you, especially to you, because they cannot talk, they have a simple language, and you don't डांटते रहते। मिश में अच्छा बैठना अच्छा है, वहीं बैठने से अच्छा होता है, हमको ऐसे बैठना, वहीं पे जब बैठने का मन लगता है, घर आना मन नहीं लगता, परेशानी तो, और घर आना तो वहीं बैठो। नो, वो बाबा जी वो जल्दी खत्म कर देते क्लास, क्या करूं? वो 1 घंटे में खत्म कर देते हैं। अच्छा, सो मंदिर में बैठना अच्छा है, आराम से, घर लौटने बचते ना झंझट। Reaction. Out of that, our madhu, our tongue is not sweet. Words, speech is not sweet. And there, the assessment is done by the people around. So we feel that world should change according to our taste. So if you take a teacher also, intelligent teacher, healthy teacher, but speech is not good, very dangerous to society. Leader you take, good knowledgeable leader is there, healthy leader is there physically, but he doesn't know how to handle the team members, how to talk to people, then is a waste of time. घर में भी आप ले लीजिए, आप अपने बारे में सोच लीजिए कि इतने सुनने के बाद थोड़ा छोटा सा ऐसा व्हाट डू कॉल, थोड़ा सोच साधना करने के बाद भी, if our speech is not sweet at home, then all the intelligence and physical body, that speech cancels everything. So jihva me madhumattama, when you chant this prayer every day, morning and evening, this anuvak at least, let my tongue become sweet, let words be dipped in honey. Next one. Now, you are a sweet speech. However, one may speak sweetly, and continuous or long, uninterrupted sweet speech also hampers one's progress because you are not a listener. Think. So a guru who only speaks and he doesn't listen. गुरु महाराज हमारे बात तो सुनिए, तुम्हारा बात क्या सुनना है? तुम्हारा बात क्या सुनना है हमको? मैं जो बोलता हूँ तो करते जाओ। नहीं, मेरे बात तो नहीं सुनूंगा। Questions not entertained. So that is one thing, listening. One more thing, the purpose of listening is what? In such a way I must listen that there should not be any breaks in listening, discontinuity in listening. Blackout should not be there. आधा सुनना आधा छोड़ देते हैं, आधा सुनना आधा छोड़ना. Very beautiful. So therefore, moreover here the prayer is Karnabhyam Srotrabhyam, through my ears, Bhuri. Bhuri means in abundance. Bahu. Let me listen in abundance. So beautiful. Not only my word should be sweet, should be sweet, but ears, through my ears, let me listen abundantly. Bhuri, Bahu, Vishravam, Vyashravam, meaning Shrota Bhuyasam Ityartha. May I become good Shrota, good listener. Listening what? To the scriptures, to the good things. Let noble thoughts come from everywhere. Rigveda says, prayer. Anu Bhadrah Kartavo Yantu Vishwatah Bhadram Karne Vishrunuyama Devaha. May I listen always auspicious. So, Karnabhyam, Srotrabhyam. May I develop that capacity within myself to listen to the scriptures, to listen to the great things. Also, may I get opportunity to listen. That also is required, no? मैं सुनने के लिए तैयार हूँ मगर बताने वाला कोई नहीं है, क्या फ़ायदा? और कई बार बताने वाला है तो सुनने के लिए हम तैयार नहीं हैं, तो क्या फ़ायदा? सो कर्णाभ्याम श्रोत्राभ्याम भूरि बहु विश्रवम यश्रवम श्रोता भूयासम. That means the meaning is, may I become a good listener, hearer of the scriptures, hearer of the statements which will really transform my life. Atmajnana yogyaha kaya karana sangato vastu iti vakyartaha. Ultimately, what is the essence of all this? See, karya karana. Karya is body. Karana, sense organs, instruments. So let these instruments, that is the sense organs, plus karya, body, assembly, sanghata. This body and sense organ sanghata, assembly, what is that? Sanghataha, atmajnana yogyaha, they may become fit enough in gaining the knowledge of self. Ityartaha, meaning my speech is good, my ears are good, my body is healthy, my intelligence is proper. What am I praying for? This sanghata which is there, assembly. The body is assembly, no? Body is assembly only. So the assembled body and also the sense organs and the mind, all these composite things together may become fit in gaining the knowledge of self. What a wonderful prayer. Otherwise, one thing is active, other thing is not active, no use. देखिए आप सब लोग यहाँ पर टुडे यू कुड कम हियर, इसका मतलब क्या है? दैट बुद्धि इज कहीं आपको बिगड़ के नहीं रखा आज कि टीवी देखो, ठंड हो रही है बाहर, अरे वही तो प्रार्थना ही है, क्या जाना है, तो बिगड़ी बुद्धि तो ठीक रही आज. बॉडी ऑल्सो कोऑपरेटेड. सोते सोते बुलाना पड़ता है, अरे सुनो, क्या मैं उठ नहीं पा रहा हूं, क्या हुआ, डोंट, मेरा पैर कहाँ है, पैर तो आई ही नहीं, मुझे तो ऐसा महसूस नहीं हो रहा है. तो उसको कोई पैर दबाओ, गला दबाओ, हाथ दबाओ, उठाओ, खड़ा कर दो. आप जाएंगे सत्संग में? सोच रही हूं. तो जब लेटे हुए तो कंप्लेंट आया कि शरीर ठीक नहीं है, जाना है सत्संग में. किसी ने आके मदद किया, उठा दिया, खड़ा कर दिया, फिर मन तो बदल गई. बोलते अभी क्या जाना, सो जाएंगे. तो फिर हमको मेहनत क्यों करवाया हमसे इतना उठाने में? यू अंडरस्टैंड? दिस इज वेरी फनी, वेरी, इट्स अ कार्टून नेटवर्क. कार्टून नेटवर्क टीवी देखने की जरूरत नहीं है. यू रियली ऑब्जर्व, इट्स अ बिग नेटवर्क. आई एंजॉय the cartoon network only. So what is ultimately Vakyartha, what is the essence of the entire prayer sentence is that Atma Jnana Yogya Karya Karana Sangato Astu Tathastu. Let it be. Tathastu. Iti Vakyartha. Medha cha tadarthameva hi prarthyate. So, Medha also is for Atma Jnana Yogyam. Atma Jnana ke liye Medha is intelligence is prayed for knowledge of self. अब देखिए, so beautiful this Upanishad is. First, when you join this course, so Siksha Vidya was taught. Then the mind is made little subtler by exposing the student's mind, the buddhi to the compounds. तो इसके बाद में this fellow had developed desire to grow now. तो उसके बाद में desire तो आई, but then make your equipment ready. क्या करें? तो जपा होम मंत्रास नो आई विल गिव यू सो दैट बिकम फिट एनफ. जब क्या करना है? यश्चंदसाम वृषभो विश्वरूपः, दिस मंत्र. So in that I prayed for intelligence, good health, good ears, good speech, and everything. All these things are told. So medha cha tadarthameva hi prarthyate. So right. Now next one. Very beautiful. Brahmanaha, Paramatmanaha, of that supreme Brahman, O Omkara. Now who is prayed for? Indra. Samendro medhaya sprunoto. O Indra. Who is Indra? Omkara. Why? Preeminence. Because of Vrishabhatva. Vrishabhatvam Omkarasya Nyaya eva. So it is appropriate only. Why bull is, even Omkara is equated to bull? Preeminence. It is preeminence. So Indra is Mukhya among Devatas. And who is Indra here? The Parameshwaraha, Kameshwaraha. Why? Indhayati. One who supplies Indhanam. Indhanam means fuel. वहाँ का सप्लाई बंद होगा तो यहाँ पे कुछ काम नहीं करता है. सब एवरीथिंग पैरालिसिस, बुद्धि पैरालिसिस, माइंड पैरालिसिस, बॉडी पैरालिसिस, एवरीथिंग पैरालिटिक अटैक ऑन. तो ईंधनम इंधयति, constant supply is giving. So therefore, now having this, O Paramatmanaha Brahmanaha Koshosi. Koshosi means you are the sheath of Brahman. Who? Omkara. What is sheath? You know, Asehe iva upalabdhi adhishthanatvat. Meaning, you know, like a scabbard. Scabbard, you know, talwar ka jo lagate hai na andar cover. That cover is called sheath. That sheath contains something inside this talwar. Asehe iva. Mane, a very beautiful example Pujya Gurudev said. Now, we say in the common parlance, get me the ink bottle. When you ask me ink bottle, it doesn't mean I should empty the ink and give you the bottle. आप इंक बॉटल मंगाए ना, 1 मिनट इंक पूरा खाली करके और गर्म पानी से धो के थोड़ा कपड़ा लगा के पोछा लगा के उफ एंड ड्राई करके थोड़ा सेंट मार के अंदर खुशबू के लिए अब दे दो. क्या मांगा? इंक बॉटल. ये क्या है? इंक बॉटल. अरे बेवकूफ, इंक बॉटल माने इंक मांग रहा हूं और बॉटल के अलावा इंक का उपलब्ध नहीं होता है. तो बॉटल इज इंकस्य उपलब्धि अधिष्ठानत्वात्. वेरी ब्यूटीफुल एग्जाम्पल. Similarly, get me that pack of cigarette packet lalo. Cigarette packet lalo माने it doesn't mean you empty cigarettes and give packet only. डब्बा, वो सिगरेट डब्बा ले लो बेटा, 1 मिनट डैडी, पूरा निकाल के डब्बा ले लो. तो सिगरेट कहाँ है? आपने क्या पूछा? डिब्बा पूछा ना, डिब्बा ले लो. So ink is available in the ink bottle. Sword is available in the scabbard. Now, Brahman is available in Om. So, Om is a sheath of Brahman. So beautiful, you know. So, O Paramatma, O Omkara, Brahmana Koshosi, you are the sheath of Brahman. That means what? You hold Brahman in Om. When you say Om, in that Omkara Shabda, there is Brahman hidden. Very beautiful. Brahmana Koshosi, Asehi Eva Upalabdhi Adhishtanatvat. It is Adhisthana. Upalabdhi Adhisthana. It is a available place for Brahman. Do you understand? Omkara. Why Shabda Brahma? Through Shabda and go through the roots of Shabda. We already saw the essence of the entire thing is Omkara Eva. So up to that, ultimately we reach Omkara as a kosha, as a sheath of Brahman. Koshosi. Brahmanaha pratikam tvayi Brahma upalabhyate. You are Tvamhi Brahmanaha pratikam. You alone is a symbol of Brahman. Om. When Tvamhi means you alone is a symbol of Brahman, and Tvayi Brahma upalabhyate. In you, the Brahman is available. So Omkara Upasana. Okay. Then, so since you are that O Paramatma, O Omkara, you are the sheath of Brahman. Having said this much, Medhaya, and such Brahman, that Brahman who is in the sheath of Om, covered by that Om, that Brahman. Now where is available? In me only. But where is it now? It is covered. Covered by what? Medhas. Medhaya pihitaha. It is covered by intelligence. Which medhas? Laukika prajnaya. So beautiful it is. Not our divine prajna. Our prajna is what? Laukika prajna. I tell you, this is the word which I like it. Laukika prajnaya pihitaha. Loka vyavaharartham yo buddhi. That buddhi which is now used for transactions in the world outside. That buddhi, that is transactional buddhi, covers the Brahman. वाह, हमें इतना भी लोक व्यवहार में, व्यवहार बुद्धि में, actually Paramatma is covered by the loka vyavahara buddhi. Laukika prajna, achaditaha. It's covered. Laukika prajna. And because such prajna, I'm really telling you, remember, that prajna, it covers that laukika prajna. How is it? Even if I study Vedanta also, or any Shastra, Laukika prajna peeps in and covers the essence. It's very tough, Baba. तो आपको सुधारने वाला कौन है? आप ही है बस. उद्धरेद आत्मनात्मान, और कोई कुछ नहीं कर सकते. आप सुन रहे हैं अभी, फॉर एग्जाम्पल. Then, example I'm telling you. Suppose in the class, if there is, it's either delayed in the ending or delayed in the beginning, then your laukika prajna comes to operation. And laukika prajna comes, and what? देखो, अभी 2 मिनट हो गया, अभी 5 मिनट हो रहा है, और 5 मिनट ज़्यादा ले रहे हैं. Example I'm giving you. Immediately laukika prajna operates and disturbs your mind. And in that disturbance, the entire essence is lost. And to settle your mind, even though the class has started, it will take 20 minutes. Or, now in Vyavahar, in our work and activities, anything, whatever the knowledge what we are gaining, immediately it is used only for Loka Vyavahara. Not converted into Antaranga Sadhana. Very dangerous it is. This knowledge, because bar, even though I try to gain some knowledge, it is given a laukika color, a transaction in a color, vyavahara color, rang. We give it to it and it covers. Suppose a guru gets angry with the disciple, hey, tikku itne baar samjhaya to kya, are you sleeping or what in the class? Immediately laukika prajna operates. Guru hote hue bhi itna gussa kyun? एक गुस्सा हमारे लिए दिखाया है, ये हमारे लिए जान जरूरी है, ऐसा नहीं सोचता है बेवकूफ। बेवकूफ सोचता है कि गुरु होते हुए भी आप शांति से रहना है, माने हम बिगड़ते रहेंगे, आप शांति से रहो, और बाद में जिम्मेदारी आपको भी लेना पड़ेगा। जिम्मेदारी नहीं लिया समझो, गुरु होते हुए भी जिम्मेदारी तो नहीं लिए। डांटा नहीं, गुरु होते हुए भी डांटा भी नहीं। डांटा, गुरु होते हुए भी इतना गुस्सा भी है, माने यू आर गन शॉट फॉर व्हाट? योर फेल्यूर इज एश्योर्ड। हम सुधरेंगे नहीं। इमीडिएटली लौकिक प्रज्ञा ऑपरेट्स। अच्छा, कोई डोनेशन मांगा, देखो पता नहीं क्यों मांगते हैं, लौकिक प्रज्ञा विल ऑपरेट। देते समय लौकिक प्रज्ञा ऑपरेट्स। आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? माँ जी 10 रुपये हुंडी में ज्यादा डालो। 10 रुपये क्यों? ऐसे मांगते रहते हैं? Immediately लौकिक प्रज्ञा, whatever you do, you analyze only from with a worldly intelligence, because like a moss on the water, ये एक बार हटा दिया पानी पीने के लिए, पी सकते हैं, आप पिए होगा आप एक हाथ से पानी, but when next time open it is again covered. तो लौकिक प्रज्ञा दृष्टि को हटाने के लिए बस कृपा ही केवलम। अब और एक बात है, कृपा ही केवलम माने इसका ये मतलब नहीं कि हम मेहनत नहीं करेंगे और वो भगवान के ऊपर छोड़ देते। कृपा नहीं है भगवान की, इसलिए मैं बिगड़ते जा रही हूं, ये भी गलत है। बिकॉज दैट ऑफ लौकिक प्रज्ञा ओनली यू ऑपरेट। राम राम राम, वेरी ब्यूटिफुल। मेधया लौकिक प्रज्ञा पिहितः आच्छादितः सह त्वं सामान्य प्रज्ञैः अविदित तत्व। ओ महाराज, ओ परमात्मा, सामान्य प्रज्ञा, ऑर्डिनरी इंटेलिजेंस कैन नॉट रिवील यू। इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल टू नो यू थ्रू ऑर्डिनरी इंटेलिजेंस। सामान्य प्रज्ञैः अविदित तत्व, दैट तत्वम, दैट एसेंस ऑफ द परमात्मा is impossible to be known by ordinary intelligence. So beautiful, is it not? And we are operating only from ordinary intelligence only, the level of ordinary intelligence, samanya prajna, transactional buddhi. So, Brahmana koshosi medhaya pihitah, you are covered by intelligence, sir. Which medhas, sir? Laukika prajna. Which medhas I want? Divine medhas I want. Medhaya sprunotu. Which intellectual vigor I am asking? Not logic, not tarka, not reasoning, not analysis, not analytical intellect I want. But I want that subtle intellect which could penetrate deep into the tattva and discover it. So what methods is prayed for? That intelligence which transcend me from the mind to something supra-mind and intelligence, beyond intelligence, intellect. It makes me subtler and subtler. Otherwise, same Paramatma, Maharaj, you are covered by my own buddhi. Which buddhi? Laukika prajnaya. Therefore, samanya prajnaihi avidita tattva ityartha. What is the meaning? That Paramatma is impossible to be known by ordinary intelligence. It's not possible. And what we do, even we learn spirituality, we convert it into ordinary intelligence. Suppose Guru ने चाय मांगा, ये तो इंद्रियों से परे है. Immediately apply. शॉल मांगा, ठंड तो नहीं लगनी चाहिए महात्मा लोगों को. अच्छा, so your operating is only from. That's why, after Vedantic lecture, if you make announcement for donation, people will not be happy because they doubt this announcement, the teacher itself. मैं एक बात बताओ, सुधरना मुश्किल है. बहुत कठिन है, बहुत मुश्किल है. But we will never understand that these gurus are impartial. They want nothing from the world. They only want to organize these things on the globe and go away. Knowing very well, in the कीचड़ उतरते हैं लोग. That's why a great Mahatma said, जितना आपको भगवान के प्रति प्यार होना चाहिए मुक्ति के लिए, और उतना फिर काम कर लोगों के लिए ज़्यादा प्यार क्यों होना चाहिए. टू लव, टू कीचड़ में उतर के फिर लोगों के साथ मिलजुल के रह के सभी बेवकूफ पागल लोगों को समझाते हुए, इतना मुश्किल है गुरु लोगों को. हमको उनका मुश्किल है, काम मुश्किल है. तो इसीलिए लौकिक प्रज्ञा, आई एम टेलिंग यू बिकॉज दिस वर्ड इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. लौकिक प्रज्ञा, वेरी ब्यूटिफुल वन वर्ड, लौकिक प्रज्ञा, लोक व्यवहार प्रज्ञा, दैट विच वी आर यूजिंग दिस चीप थर्ड रेट इंटेलिजेंस. दैट्स व्हाई स्पिरिचुअलिटी इज नॉट टू बी एनालाइज्ड एज परफॉर्मेंस, एंड बट वी एनालाइज ओनली एज परफॉर्मेंस. चलो, जो बोलना था बता दिया मैंने. क्यों? सो सामान्य प्रज्ञा ही अविदित. श्रुतम, नो वन मोर थिंग, श्रुतम मे गोपाय. श्रुतम मीन्स what I heard. श्रवण पूर्वकम आत्मज्ञानादिकम मे गोपाय रक्ष. No, you protect. What is that? What I heard has to be protected. Gopaya. What should be protected? Shrutam, whatever I heard. Otherwise, it leaks out like puncture tube. What is the use now? बहुत सारे सुन लिया, but I forget, and it's not protected. Now, one thing, knowledge, our Mahatmas analyzed this. To be protected by what? Sravana Purvakam, whatever has been heard, that is Atma Jnanadikam, the knowledge of self, etc., whatever has been heard, has to be protected. Protected from what? From Raga and Dvesha. Whatever we hear, that is polluted by our Raga and Dvesha. Number one. Number two, the Raga Dvesha towards objects of the world outside makes me forget what I heard. माने राग द्वेषा अंदर बैठ के it pollutes my understanding. बाहर चीजों के प्रति खींचते हुए अब वो भी क्या करेंगे? It really makes me forget what I gained. Raga Dvesha enters and disturbs my gained knowledge. That is, knowledge is gained, but it becomes useless or it is not utilized, it is forgotten, it is not implemented because coming under the sway of raga and dvesha. So protect me, my knowledge. How do I protect? Oh Bhagavan, please protect me, that my knowledge, protect my knowledge from the attacks of raga and dvesha, so that internally my raga dvesha, my kind of what you call prejudice, knowledge, because of my prejudice, because of my preconceived notions, because of my corrupt antahkarana, adulterated antahkarana, knowledge is corrupted. That gained knowledge is, that's one thing. So श्रवण पूर्वकम आत्मज्ञानादिकम. So अंदर बैठ के वो प्रॉब्लम है, बाहर भी, because of I am so attracted towards different objects and experience in the world outside. What all I gained, I forgot. So knowledge is forgotten, knowledge is misused or unused, it is leaked out because of this. So therefore, Shrutam me gopaya, O Paramatma, whatever knowledge, whatever satsang I have been listening, please protect what I heard. Shrutam, what I heard, Raksha, protect, beautiful. Tat prapti avisparanadi kuru ityartaha. Meaning two things. Tat prapti, that is in the gaining, attainment of it, knowledge, plus also avismaranam. Vismaranam, forgetting. Avismaranam, I should not forget. So avismaranadi kuru ityartaha. Please do this for me. Therefore, Dekhe Maharaj, when this knowledge gained and it is not available when it is in need, when I am in need of it, right? And the mind takes me for a ride. All the knowledge what we gain, jealousy, hatred, envy, comparison, kama, krodha, lobha, moha, mada, matsarya, irshya, dvesha, asuya, raga, all these things are attacked from the OET, attacking the mind, from the outer objects of the world outside, or in the mental disturbances. If the knowledge is not covered and it is bright and shining, all the moisture in the mind is immediately burnt because of the heat of the knowledge. It evaporates. Man tak aati hai, but in the fire of knowledge, these thoughts cannot exist, they evaporate. But the mind is covered. Intellect is covered. So knowledge is gained, but forgotten, not available. So mind is attacked by kama, krodha, lobha, moha, mada, matsarya, irshya, dvesha, asuya, raga, depression, dejection, complexes. Then I don't know. Because this knowledge is not available to me in need, when I am in need of it. Why? Avismaranam. I forgot. Therefore I am praying to God, make me not forget my knowledge, so that if it strikes my intellect, then and there during the problem, I can tackle the mind. So, tat prapti avismaranadi kuru ityartaha. Japartha ete mantraha medha kamasya. All these mantras are japartham, for individual sitting and contemplating and repeating. Srutam me gopaya. Om yaschandasa vrishavo vishwarupaha. Samendro medhaya sprunotu. Amrutasya devadharano bhuyasam. Shariram me vicharshanam. Jihva me madhumattama. Karna abhyam bhuri vishravam. Brahmana koshosi medhaya vihitaha. Srutam me gopaya. Avahanti. Like that it continues. Now, homarthaha astu adhuna sri kamasya mantraha uchyante. Now, for the Sri Kama, desiring the wealth also required. So, home mantras are now taught. Uchyante. These home mantras are now taught. This we will take up tomorrow. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Arihi Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Arihi Om Sadgurunat Maharaj Ki Jai.